In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Smartsheet. Let's dive right in so you can start managing your projects efficiently with this powerful tool. First off, we begin our journey by visiting the Smartsheet website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.smartsheet.com in the address bar. Once you hit enter, it will take you straight to the Smartsheet homepage. This is where we'll embark on unlocking all the organizational magic that Smartsheet offers. Now that you're on the website, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the Login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed. This will redirect you to a login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in the email address linked with your Smartsheet account, and of course, don't forget your password. Make sure to double-check both fields for any typos, as these will prevent you from accessing your account. For those who sometimes forget their passwords, a quick tip is to ensure you have a foolproof system for keeping track of them, whether that's through a password manager or a safe place where you jot them down. Once you're confident everything is typed in correctly, hit that Log In button and voila! You should now gain access to your account. After logging in, you'll be greeted on your Smartsheet homepage. This space is like your master control room. It's here that all your sheets are housed. You'll see an overview of your current, active projects, and you can easily manage all your ongoing tasks from this dashboard. From this vantage point, you can access and open any existing sheets or create new ones, depending on what you need to get done. It's all about making your work life a little bit easier and a lot more organized. A quick organizational tip: if you frequently work on certain sheets, consider marking them as favorites. You can do this by clicking on the star icon next to the sheet name. That way, they're always easily accessible without having to skim through a long list, saving you valuable time. To wrap things up, opening Smartsheet is a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks. It all starts at the Smartsheet homepage, just a quick login, and then you're ready to tackle whatever your day has in store. Whether you're planning projects, managing team collaborations, or just making sure every detail is in place, Smartsheet is designed to help keep you on top of your game. Thanks for watching, and I hope now you feel confident in opening Smartsheet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next video.